Hello traders, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to do a guide on how to use the trusted signals divergence oscillator. Our first step is to go to the top of the screen and click the FX. Then click Invite Only Scripts, and click on Trusted Signals Oscillator Divergences. We can see at the bottom of our chart the Trusted Signals Oscillator. First we have to understand what a divergence is, if we are going to take advantage of divergences in the market. Divergence is when the price movement of a currency is in the opposite direction of the movement of a technical indicator. It is a warning sign that the current price trend may be weakening, and in some cases may lead to a change in the direction of the price. The settings for the oscillator are by default 14 length. Just like the buy and sell signal settings. By default, the oscillator is set to the best settings our expert team has found. We can also see the option for no lag oscillator smoothing. A smoothed oscillator is an exponential oscillator, only with a longer length applied. The smoothed oscillator is plotted as a blue line, using the difference between two moving averages. It can be used to help identify divergences, short-term variations from the long-term trend. From here we can see that the oscillator shows us bearish and bullish divergence, which is notated by the green and red lines with labels on the oscillator. We can also see the option for hidden divergences. Hidden divergence occurs when the oscillator makes a higher high or low while the price action does not. This often tends to occur within an existing trend and usually indicates that there is still strength in the prevailing trend and that the trend will resume. We can use both to our advantage by combining the two divergences with the oscillator blue line. Whenever the oscillator line is above the purple band, we are looking for sell opportunities, and whenever the line is below the purple band, we are looking for buy opportunities. By using a combination of our indicators you can gain more confluences and confidence to take trades with your strategy. Okay traders, that is all for today's video. Be sure to check the link in the description below to gain access to trusted signals. I will see you in the next video.